Welcome back to Crack the Windows. If you're handing over a laptop to your kids, there are crucial settings you must enable to keep them safe. Whether you want to limit their screen time, block inappropriate content, or monitor their online activity, Windows 11 has a powerful set of tools designed just for parents like you. In today's video, I'm showing you professional tips and tricks to set up parental controls in Windows 11 like a pro. Stick around to the end, because these tips are ones that most users don't know about. Let's jump in and crack the Windows. You'll need to set up a Microsoft Family Safety account. Open Settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. This allows you to manage your child's activities across multiple devices, including Windows PCs, Xbox consoles, and even mobile phones. Navigate to Accounts, then click on Family. Click Add a family member and create a Microsoft account for your child if they don't already have one. Let's create a new child email. Let's try with some random email, like crackthewindowschild@outlook.com or hotmail.com. You can choose either from outlook.com or hotmail.com. No, it's not available. Let's try with some more. Let's try Johansson_kids_. Wow! It's available. Let's create. Now this child email ID is appearing here as the member. Its account type is standard. Now we have to log in any Windows machine with this email ID and password, so that we can set the parental controls. Once that's set up, you are in control of everything from screen time limits to app restrictions. After that, go to family.microsoft.com and sign in with your Microsoft account, not kids' email. Like, in my case, I'm going to log in with crackthewindow@outlook.com. Here we can see that organizer is the parent and their member Johansson is showing here. We can add other members too here. This is where we dive into the professional settings. Below it, we can see lots of features to secure our family members. We can set time limits across our members' Windows, Xbox or mobile apps to balance their screen time, find them on the map, track them on the go. It needs to install Family Safety app on their Android or iPhone device. We can check their activity, also get the weekly report of their activity on our inbox. Filter content as per their age and manage websites they visit. Lots of other features also here, we can set up accordingly. One of the biggest concerns for parents is managing how long their child spends on the computer. Select your child's profile and click on Screen Time. With Microsoft Family Safety, you can set specific screen time limits, ensuring that your child doesn't spend too much time online. You can sync screen time across multiple devices by toggling Windows, Xbox, Edge browser or mobile. Here it's still showing Windows 10, but if you have Windows 11, it will work same there too. Click on Turn Limits On. Here we have all days of the week given, also time limit and available times given. Set daily limits or assign specific hours when your child can use the device. For example, if you want your child to spend no more than 6 hours or 4 hours a day on their laptop, you can set that limit for both weekdays and weekends. Here I had already told to log in any Windows machine with child's email ID and password, so that we can set the parental controls. In our case, it's Johansson's email ID. This is especially useful for managing school time versus free time. Blocking inappropriate apps and games. Another essential parental control feature is the ability to block inappropriate apps and games. You can manage this based on age ratings to ensure your child only downloads and uses content suitable for their age. Next up, let's talk about content filtering and ensuring your child stays safe while browsing the internet. Click on Content Filters under your child's profile. Toggle Filter Inappropriate Websites and Searches to On. This will block explicit content on Microsoft Edge and Bing search results. You can also manually add websites to the allowed or blocked lists for specific access control. Turn on Block Inappropriate Apps and Games to prevent access to content that isn't suitable for your child's age group. You can also allow or restrict access to websites from here. Member will only be able to open certain portals. By using these filters, you can ensure that your child won't accidentally stumble upon harmful content, and you can monitor what they're accessing. This gives you full control over their browsing experience. Under your child's profile, click on Apps and Games. Set the age limit for apps and games, like setting it to 18 plus for teens. This setting applies to Windows Store apps and even certain third-party applications. Once you set these boundaries, your child will only be able to download or use apps and games that fit within these age-appropriate limits. Want to avoid surprise purchases from the Windows Store or in-game apps? With parental controls, you can make sure your child needs your permission to buy anything. In family.microsoft.com, select Spending. Here in Spending section, we can add money for family members to make purchases on Microsoft Store, or control them. Let's set up some of the important features. Toggle the option for Get notified about every purchase your grandson make. When they try to buy content from the Microsoft Store, you'll receive a notification for any purchase attempts and can approve or deny them. You can also add money or link your debit or credit card here. Don't worry, you'll receive a notification for any purchase attempts. Say goodbye to surprise in-app purchases. This feature is a lifesaver for parents who want to control spending. One of the most useful features is the activity report, which gives you a detailed breakdown of what your child has been doing on their device. Toggle activity reporting on. You'll receive weekly reports via email summarizing your child's online activity, including which websites they visited, apps they used, and screen time. This allows you to stay informed without constantly hovering over their shoulder, giving them independence while keeping them safe. If you want to control how long your child uses a specific app, you can set time restrictions for individual applications. You can limit usage of specific apps, like social media or games. If your child uses a Windows PC and Android device, you can link their account with Microsoft Launcher on Android. This gives you visibility on both platforms, ensuring comprehensive monitoring. Install Microsoft Launcher on their Android phone. Link it with their Microsoft Family account for cross-device monitoring. You can limit app installations to only those from the Microsoft Store to prevent your child from downloading unapproved software from third-party websites. And that's how you can professionally set up parental controls in Windows 11. With these settings, you can rest easy knowing your child is safe while using their laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Windows 11 tips and tricks here on Crack the Windows. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.